Hello Year 7s, Mr. Lodge here. I'm just going to make a short video that helps you do really good notes from the textbook, which is the homeworks I'm going to be setting for you this half term. So we're going to be learning about forces. So this is on the right hand side, the forces page. See here with a yellow sheet that you've already got in your books. What practicals we're going to do and the lessons down here. Now we're probably roughly around about forces and gravity sort of time. So I'm just going to show you. I haven't got the textbook. I can show you, but I can actually get it online here. And it's always online for every lesson. Okay, so page in your books at page 112 and 113. So how do you make good notes from the textbook then? So really, every time I'll set you this video, you can have a look, and you can look at this template as well. I'll set this as a homework as well. Key Stage 3 prep template. So first of all, we look at the title, Forces and Gravity. Okay, so forces and gravity goes in the current topic. Next box, what are all the bold words on the page? Can you find out what they mean? So on the textbook page here is Newton's, or N, big N. Gravitational attraction, gravity. Weight. Matter, mass, kilograms. So all of these are key words, and all of these words are actually found in the glossary at the back of your book in alphabetical order. So the meanings are all there. So what I want you to do is write down the keywords in the box and then put the meanings into there as well. So we've got all the definitions of the keywords that we need for that page. Okay, so let's move on to the next box here. For your notes, bottom right of the double page. So the bottom right will be, okay, so when you open the double page, there'll be this box here for your notes. There we go. We've got a couple of definitions there as well. So just to reiterate what gravitational attraction is, weight, mass, etc. So how do they all fit together? So these are the key takeaway points from the page, right? So they're definitely worth copying into that box there. So there's one here, this big star shape. Did you know, or what is the interesting fact on this page? So it actually says, do you remember? Do you remember you have used a force meter to measure the forces? The Newton is the unit for measuring force. All right. So in lots of other pages it says, did you know? And there'd be an interesting fact there as well. Okay, so we can write that one in as a did you remember or do you remember? This big bubble here is probably the most important bit. And I want you to kind of try and summarize the information you see on the page. So maybe turn one paragraph, let's use this one, what is gravitational attraction, into a sentence that summarizes that bit of information. So, it might be a picture which shows the Earth and the Moon. You can actually draw that as a diagram and show the Earth having these big force arrows, showing that the Earth has a bigger gravitational force of attraction or gravity than the Moon, because it is a bigger object. Okay. What is mass and weight, for example? We could also do another diagram here. Sharon's mass on the Earth is 66 kilograms. Mass on the Moon is 66 kilograms, but actually the weight is much different. Okay, so we can summarize actually mass and weight are two different things. Weight is all to do with gravity, gravitational attraction, but mass stays the same. It's just the amount of stuff that you have in your body that remains the same from place to place. It's just the gravity that changes. All right, so summarizing that information in short sentences or diagrams is really the best way. And we'll look at this in class and we'll see actually what was the best way to do this with you together. And we can look at each other's work and see how other students have done. Okay, thank you.